This week, SEO tips for beginners. Tip 1. Make sure your website is mobile optimized. If Google sees that it's not, they'll stop driving traffic to it. It's the 21st century. Catch up. Now we've got a man flying a drone over a mountain. Slow up, drive. Make sure you're producing relevant content. Make sure your website represents you and what it is you do. There's no point banging on about yourself, calling yourself an entrepreneur if you're not talking about what you do. Just like this video, it ain't relevant at all. Image size. Make sure your images are resized so it's not slowing down your website. If you build a website yourself or you're getting some cowboy to build it, you probably won't think to do this. And this is going to affect how you appear on search engines. If it takes me 20 minutes to load your page, I'm off. This guy looks sketchy. Make sure your website's up to date and secure. Always upgrade and get an SSL certificate. This stands for Secure Sockets Layer, but you don't need to know that. If your website's not secure, Google's not going to send people there. It's as simple as that. There's over 150 points that Google look at when they're ranking your website. We don't expect you to know them all. Luckily, we do. It might be worth spending a bit more to have a website made by professionals than doing it yourself. Job done.